Once upon a time, there was a boy named Tom. Tom lived in a small village near a big forest. He loved to play outside and explore new places. One day, while walking near the forest, Tom saw a small, shiny gate hidden behind some trees. He had never seen it before. The gate looked very beautiful. It had flowers and tiny lights on it. Tom felt curious. He opened the gate slowly and stepped inside. To his surprise, he saw a magic garden. The garden was full of colorful flowers, tall trees, and strange fruits he had never seen. Birds were singing beautiful songs. Butterflies were flying everywhere. While walking, Tom heard a soft voice. "Hello, Tom. Welcome to the magic garden," it said. Tom looked around. He saw a small, glowing fairy. She had golden wings and smiled at him. "I am Luna, the garden fairy," she said. "This garden is very special. It can make your wishes come true, but only if you are kind and brave." Tom was excited. He said, "I want to see all the magic things in this garden." Luna nodded and waved her hand. Suddenly, the flowers started to talk. The trees moved their branches like arms. Even the stones smiled at Tom. Tom was amazed. He played with talking flowers and swinging trees. He laughed and ran everywhere. But after some time, he heard a crying sound. Tom followed the sound and saw a small turtle stuck under a big rock. The turtle was scared and could not move. Tom felt worried. He tried to lift the rock, but it was too heavy. He remembered the fairy's words. Only kindness and bravery make magic work. Tom ran back to Luna and asked for help. Luna smiled and said, "Tom, you are kind. Your heart is brave. Magic will help now." A small wind came from Luna's wand. The rock moved slowly, and the turtle was free. The turtle smiled and said, "Thank you, Tom. You saved my life." Tom felt very happy. He realized that helping others was more important than just having fun. Luna said, "Tom, now you're ready. You can make one wish in the magic garden." Tom thought for a while. Then he said, "I wish that every animal in the forest is always safe and happy." Luna clapped her hands. Magic sparkles flew everywhere. From that day, the forest was full of happiness. Animals were safe, and everyone loved Tom. Tom went home that evening. He was tired, but happy. He knew he could always visit the magic garden whenever he was kind and brave. And Tom learned an important lesson. True magic comes from kindness and courage. The end. Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel, EStories, for more simple English stories. Press the bell icon to never miss a new story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.